Hello, welcome to this Hands-on Networking Lab where we explore the power of automation on modern networks. In this session, we will focus on creating VLANs using Python, combining programming with a real-world Cisco networking instead of configuring switches manually. We will use a Python script with Telnet to automate VLAN creation quickly, efficiently, and consistently. This lab is designed to demonstrate how network engineers can save time, reduce human error, and scale configuration using a simple automation techniques. Whether you are a beginner in networking or stepping into a network automation, this practical example will give you a solid foundation. As you see in our topology consists all these devices. So in our aim in this lesson is to create a different VLANs inside this Ubuntu for VIOS to VIOS layer 2 switches. If I give you some brief explanation about previous lesson about the script in Python, and firstly we create a loop and OSPF for the inside Ubuntu. For example, Python router 1 script 1, and the name was rmtech, and the password was Cisco. As you see in this one is into loop 1, loop 0, IP address 1.1.1.1 into loop 1. IP address, and this one is the router OSPF. So if I show you for the router, show IP interface brief, it will shows you the loopback 0 and loopback 1. Okay, but in this lesson we will take how to create different VLANs inside in this Ubuntu for layer 2 VIOS layer 2 switches. In our first step, we will make the configuration, remote access, and the enable password for the VIOS layer 2 switch. Come to VIOS layer 2 switch and then click enter. Enable config terminal, enable password, Cisco, okay, username rmtech, username rmtech, and password is Cisco. Okay, then line VTY 04, line VTY 04, login local, transport input all, then exit. We will assign the IP address VLAN 1, interface VLAN 1, no shutdown, and the IP address 192.168.122.186, 255.255.255.0. Okay, then and show IP interface brief. You see the VLAN 1 we assign in this IP address. If I show you if there is a VLAN in here, there is no another VLAN except VLAN 1. There is one default VLAN inside VIOS layer 2 switch. So we will create the VLANs inside the Ubuntu using a script in Python. So now we finish for the configuration remote access VIOS layer 2 switch and giving the IP address. Okay, come to the Ubuntu. Okay, nano Python. So I forget for giving for the name. Host name is a very important. Enable config and host name is a switch 1. Host name is switch 1. Then end. Okay, come to the Ubuntu. Nano Python switch 1 script 1. Okay, come to the Chrome and write telnet and then click enter. Now we will copy in here this one, copy and paste in here inside the Ubuntu. Okay, copy. Okay, first the local host we will enter the IP address for the VIOS layer 2 switch and it was .122.186 and then we will change in here, enter your telnet username and also we will change this login username. Okay, and the next step we don't need this one. Come in here, click highlight, Control K, copy, cut, and Control U, paste. Control U, paste, and then we will start the app one. Enable. Okay. Enable Cisco config terminal, then create the VLAN 2. Okay, then name, the name is a Python underscore VLAN underscore 2. Then click exit, start. This another one, VLAN 3. Okay, name Python VLAN underscore 3. Then click exit. Okay, come in here, Control U, exit, start VLAN 4. Then click name, the name is a Python underscore VLAN underscore 4. Then click exit. Okay, create VLAN 5. Okay, come how to create the last VLAN. Control U, VLAN 6 name Python underscore VLAN underscore 6. Then exit. Okay. Then Control X, Control X. Okay, Control X, Y, and then enter. Okay. Now Python switch 1 script 1 Python switch 1. Okay. Python switch 1 script 1. It will ask you a username. In our username was rmtech and the password was Cisco. Okay. Okay, I will. Okay, it shows a small error, but I will replay. I make a syntax error. Python switch 1 script 1. It will ask us. It says okay rmtech and the password was Cisco. Okay, let us show you the switch. You will see something different, and this one is the switch. Okay, enter. We will wait a small seconds. Okay. Okay. Python switch 1 script 1. The username is rmtech and the password is Cisco. Okay. We will wait small seconds. Okay. Let me play. Python switch 1 script 1. Okay. rmtech Cisco. Now you see something new is happening inside a FIOS layer 2 switch. It creates a VLANs inside for Ubuntu. There is a name of Python VLAN 2, Python VLAN 3, name Python VLAN 4, name Python VLAN 5, and name Python VLAN 6. Okay, let's go for Cisco FIOS layer 2 switch. Okay, enable Cisco config terminal. Okay, show VLAN. You see inside a FIOS layer 2 switch, the VLAN is that we have already created inside a root Ubuntu. So inside Ubuntu, okay, and so thank you very much. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. We will see you in the next class.